Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 5 to the power x is equal to 10, or taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to right side, this will be log of 10, or now applying this formula, log of a to the power b is equal to this b times log of a, log of a. So applying this formula, log of this 5 as a and this x as b. So applying this, it will this x times log of 5, log of 5 is equal to as log of 10 is equal to this is 10 base log, so 10 base of this 10 and this is 1. So log of 10, this is 1. Now divided both side by log of 5, we will get x times log of 5 divided by log of 5 is equal to right side is 1 over this log of 5. We have divided both side by this log of 5, or this log of 5 and log of 5 will cancel out and it will be x is equal to right side, this is 1 over this log of 5, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.